Today here we have this incredible Canon 518 auto zoom Super 8 camera in great condition with an incredible lens. As you all know, Canons are one of the best Super 8 cameras, one of the best film cameras and cameras until today. The camera is in truly incredible condition. As you will see in a second, perfectly working light meter as well. So let's test it out. In order to get the camera working, you need to unscrew that here and open the lid above. You see the way the batteries should go in, so please always follow the correct way of positioning the batteries, otherwise the camera is not going to be working. So once the 3 batteries are in, close the lid. And then this particular model has another AA battery that needs to go in here. You need to use a coin to unscrew that. As you can see, all battery compartments are super clean. And please always follow the instructions here as well. As you can see, it goes like that. And then screw that. My coin fell down, so I'll need to take another one in a second. Sorry about that. Okay, once it's in, close it well. Once that's done, as you can hear, super smoothly working, 18 frames per second, 32 as well, back to 18, perfectly working automatic zoom. As you can see, the lens is super clean, zoom works both directions very well. The manual zoom works very well as well, as you can see. Focus works perfectly as well. The camera is in truly outstanding condition. The batteries for the light meter are positioned here, and as you can see, super clean battery compartment as well. As said, the light meter works perfectly on this camera, very correctly as well. And bear in mind that even the manual exposure needs batteries, so it's able to work. On most Super 8 cameras that's not like that, but on this particular one you need batteries for the automatic and for the manual exposure as well. Okay, so as you all know, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridges are much harder to spin than regular new ones. As you can see, I can barely spin that, but if the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. As you can see, we mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid. As you can hear, very well working even with this expired cartridge. Let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. The no mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even this very hard spinning expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for your footage. The camera is in truly outstanding condition, although it's made in the late 60s, so whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. Thank you for your time. Let's keep Super 8 alive.